Hi viewers and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. Your car has many relays. And what is a relay? It is a remote-controlled electrical switch for higher current and voltage. In cars, it is mainly used to protect smaller electrical switches from damage and burnout caused by higher current and voltage. A perfect example of the relay system is one for the starter. In this case, the ignition switch turns on the relay, which then turns on the starter via the connection to the starter solenoid. So, without a relay, the ignition switch on your car would soon malfunction due to overheating and there would be no cranking. This is how it all works, and when the relay is faulty, the symptoms we're going to show you will probably appear. So, stay tuned. Bad car symptoms.